अस्सलाम मेरे क्या आप सब खैरियत से हैं। आज का टॉपिक है बायोडिग्रेडेबल और नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल बायोडिग्रेडेबल के बारे में। अच्छा, प्लास्टिक बैग, metallic cans, paper or shoes, old cloths, plastic wrappers and other materials of plastic, glass, metal, etc. Some of these waste like fields of vegetable and fruit, bread, etc. are easily broken down by decomposers, bacteria and fungi and bags. Metallic cans and other plastic products cannot be broken down by the decomposers and are called non-biodegradable materials. Difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. Biodegradable materials. Materials that microorganisms can decompose are called biodegradable materials. Non-biodegradable materials, materials that microorganisms cannot decompose are called non-biodegradable materials. Number two, biodegradable material. The process degradation is very speedy. The process of degradation is quite. Biodegradable waste can be utilized in the ecosystem as a source of nutrients. Non-biodegradable waste can never be utilized in the ecosystem and are very harmful to life. Biodegradable wastes can be utilized as fertilizers. Non-biodegradable wastes can be recycled using very costly processes. Importance impacts of non-biodegradable materials. When the environment, air, sunlight, water, or soil cannot break down the waste, it is considered as non-biodegradable. Such products have longer lasting effects on the environment, which are as follows. Contaminates groundwater. Chemical used in water bottles, food contains hard plastic, etc. leak into groundwater, thus contaminating groundwater. Outgassing. Plastic pollutes the air in the same way it pollutes water supplies. Constant exposure to heat melts plastic, emitting gases into the atmosphere in a process known as outgassing. Affect food chain. Coming into the food chain and leading to serious health hazards is a typical effect of non-biodegradable materials. Ways to reduce impacts of non-biodegradable materials. Once we have recognized the harms that non-biodegradable products are causing our planet, we need to find smart solutions to address these problems. It is necessary because we cannot throw out the production and use of such materials completely. The following alternative methods can be adopted to help the planet get rid of the harmful effects of non-biodegradable materials. Separating wastes. The simplest and smartest way to reduce the amount of non-biodegradable waste is to separate the waste into different categories like recycled food, cans and bottles, paper, etc. by ourselves. Recycle. Once the waste is separated, one can go through all the items in the blue and brown bin and look for possible recycling methods. For example, vegetable and fruit peels, grass, dried leaves can be used to prepare compost, domestic fertilizer, cardboard, and paper items can be recycled into other useful products such as pencil holders, vases, etc. Avoid using poly bags and go for paper or cloth bags. It is a well established fact that polythene is not good for the environment. Therefore, the use of poly bags should be limited to as little as possible. These symbols show that material is recyclable. Shukriya. Wassalam.